We're going to keep going straight at this intersection here, but I want you to notice we have 2 stop signs on a one-way, one for each lane. Also, we got a flashing red light. Why is that there?
Pedestrians crossing.
So if you got delivery trucks blocking your view of the stop signs, you have a red light, which means exactly the same thing. That's why they're there. Technically, the speed limit anywhere within city limits is 50, but that would be reckless here.
Yeah.
So this is a nice, safe, comfortable speed, 30 or less, basically. Yeah, complete stop. And I mentioned 2 stop signs, one for each corner, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to be turning left here onto this next street. But notice the number of stop signs on the street you're turning on.
One.
Yeah, there's only one there, right?
Yeah.
If it was a one-way going the wrong way, there'd be another stop sign on the corner over there, also backwards. So you're okay to turn here. That's another clue. So you don't go the wrong way down a one-way. Further evidence that you're on a two-way street is the color of the yellow line. The line is yellow. Yellow lines divide traffic going in opposite directions. Then we're going to turn left here at the lights. Rights of ways work the same way. The only difference is you'll be turning next to the left curb because it's a one-way. So you can continue because you got a green into the left lane. Left lane. Left. There you go. Might feel a little awkward at first, right? Because you're wide to turn into the right lane. And then there's not much going on downtown, but usually there's piles of people here crossing the road, during the business hours. And the law is we gotta wait till they get all the way across, 1 foot to the sidewalk. Now we can go. And we'll make a right lane change. At the stop sign, we're going to turn right.